Good morning, third standard. Your science teacher Nalini Miss is back again. Today is August 3rd. So, from today, you will be studying all the subjects from Samachi textbook for this year. Okay? Now, let us go into our first science lesson. Okay? First science lesson. I hope you are maintaining a separate classwork. When I give the notes, you write in the classwork. Then and there, you write in the classwork. Apart from that, I will be sending homework and worksheets that you can do in your rough notebook. Whatever I ask you to do in classwork, kindly fill in your classwork. Now let us go to the first lesson. Okay? Name of your first lesson is My Body. Okay, you are going to learn about your body. It is going to be very interesting. What are the learning objectives? Learning objectives na enna? எதுக்கு நம்ம இதை பற்றி படிக்கிறோம்? Why are we learning this lesson? What are we going to learn from this lesson? That is called learning objective. First point is, after learning this lesson, students will be able to, once you learn this lesson thoroughly, you will know the benefits of hand washing, how to wash your hands. Then understand self-hygiene, how to keep yourself clean. Acquire the habit of using toilets and avoiding open defecation. So, how to use toilets properly and how to avoid going outside in the open area, your toilet. Know the precautions to protect the sense organs. How to protect your sense organs. Eyes, nose, mouth, ears, these are the sense organs, how to protect them. Recognize the differences and similarities in people's appearance and abilities. So you will also know what people are depending on their appearance, their ability. Okay, understand good touch and bad touch. Grasp the importance of physical exercises. If somebody touches you, you must differentiate between good touch and bad touch. Avoid people with bad touch, and good touch is of course from your parents. Grasp the importance of physical exercises means you have to do physical activity every day. It is very helpful for your body. Now, if you see the below picture, they are asking you to tick the items used for personal hygiene. Once you get the Samachir book from the office, you can do this with pencil. Those who don't have the book or those who are not going to buy the books, it's okay. You need not do. When you actually buy the books, when the school reopens, that time you can do. Now see the first one, whichever you use for personal hygiene. Personal hygiene என்ன நம்மளை நாம் சுத்தமாக வச்சுக்கிறக்க உதவுற சில விஷயங்கள். First one is a toothbrush. Toothbrush, yes, of course, you need it to brush your teeth. So it is tick. Apple, yes, apple is a healthy food, but it is not used for personal hygiene. So it is wrong. Towel, yes, towel is used to wipe your hands, your body. So it is used for personal hygiene. It is tick. Then you have a plaster that is used in first aid and not in personal hygiene. So it is wrong. Then you have some face cream or something that you can use for personal hygiene. Soap, that is also tick, personal hygiene. Then you have a calculator kind of thing that you are not going to use for personal hygiene, so it is wrong. Then you have a brush, a comb, a brush, that is for personal hygiene, tick. Then you have a bag, no, it is not for personal hygiene, wrong. A shower of water, yes, it will clean your body, so tick. A comb again is tick. A scissor is also ticked, which will be used to cut your hair or nails. A tissue roll, yes, to wipe all the dirt, that is also for personal hygiene. A nail cutter to cut your nails is also for personal hygiene. But a pencil is not for personal hygiene, so that will be cross. And the last one is a soap, that is also for personal hygiene. So whichever items you use for your personal hygiene to keep yourself clean, you will tick, and whichever you are not going to use for that purpose, you will put a cross or a wrong. That is all about this page. Now going to the next page, you are going to read about cleanliness. What is cleanliness? உங்களை நீங்கள் சுத்தமாக வச்சுக்கிறது. உங்களை மட்டும் இல்லை, உங்கள் சுற்றுச்சூழலையும் உங்களையும் சுத்தமாக வச்சுக்கிறது, சுற்றுப்புறத்தையும் உங்களையும் க்ளீனாக சுத்தமாக வச்சுக்கிறது தான் cleanliness. Mitra is watching TV with her parents. Who is watching television? Mitra. An advertisement in the TV shows a toilet with germs. So she sees a toilet with lot of germs. Mitra asks her dad what they are. He explains to her about germs. மித்ரா வந்து அவங்க அப்பா கிட்ட கேட்குறாங்க என்ன இதெல்லாம் அப்படின்னு. ஸோ அப்பா எக்ஸ்பிளைன்ஸ் அபவுட் த germs in the toilet. Do you know about germs? Do you know, kids? Yes, we will see in detail if you don't know. Germs are microorganisms that affect our body. They are found in all the places. So, germs na enna? Microorganisms. Why we call them microorganisms? You cannot see them with your naked eye. உன்னுடைய சாதாரண கண்களால் மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசமான கிருமிகள் germs-ஐ பார்க்க முடியாது. You can see only under a microscope. What it will do? It will affect our body. நம்ம உடம்பை பாதிக்கும். They are found in all places. எல்லா இடத்துலையும் இருக்குது germs. If we do not maintain cleanliness, the germs will infect us and cause many diseases to us. நம்மளை ஒழுங்காக க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கலன்னா germs நம்மளை இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் பண்ணி நோய் வர வச்சு we will fall sick. So you should maintain cleanliness first. க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கணும், நம்மளை நாம் ஃபஸ்ட்டு க்ளீனாக வச்சுக்கணும். Okay, that is cleanliness. For that, everywhere you are seeing, for coronavirus they say keep your hands clean by washing them often, so that even if the virus, if you touch or if it is in your hand, when you wash in the soap solution, it will go away. Same thing he is going to insist in this lesson. First subheading itself is hand washing. It's a dialogue between Shruti and her mother. After playing outside, Shruti returns home. So Shruti is a small girl, you can see in the picture. She is playing outside, maybe with her friends, and now she is returning back home. Now there is a dialogue between Shruti and mother. Let us see what they are talking. Shruti, Mom, I am so hungry. Give me something to eat. So, I am very hungry. எனக்கு சாப்பிட ஏதாச்சும் கொடுங்கன்னு கேட்குறா. Mother, Shruti, go and wash your hands. Every mother says this dialogue. Go wash your hands. Shruti, no mom, I want to eat first, then I wash my hands. Shruti என்ன சொல்கிறா? முதல்ல எனக்கு சாப்பிடணும், பசிக்குது, then I will wash my hands. Is that right, children? No, it is wrong. You must wash your hands whenever you come from outside, whenever you come after playing, whenever you touch sand, and whenever your hands are dirty, you must wash. And definitely before your lunch, dinner or any meal, you have to hand wash. Now see, mother, no, you must wash your hands. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது, கையலம்பிட்டு வா அப்படி சொல்கிறாங்க. Shruti, Mom, is it necessary to wash hands before eating? Mother, yes, look at your hands. Is it clean or dirty? Shruti, my hands are too dirty, Mom. Mother, where does the dirt stick in your hands? Shruti, under the nails in the ridges. Mother, yes, these are the places where the germs are hiding. Shruti, is it so? Mother, yes, it is important to wash your hands. It is a simple habit that keeps you healthy. See, Shruti is arguing. நான் கை அலம்பணுமா சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு முன்னாடின்னு. Mother says, yes, your hands are dirty. You must wash your hands. And where do you think the dirt is hiding? It is hiding in your nails, in the ridges. விரல் இடுக்கில் நகத்துக்குள்ளெல்லாம் dirt போய் hide, ஒளிஞ்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு. And when you eat with the dirt, the germs will go into your stomach and it will cause infection. It will lead to stomach pain, fever, vomiting, diarrhea, loose motion, anything will happen. So every time you eat or every time you go out and come, you have to hand wash for 20 seconds with a soap or with a normal hand wash gel or hand wash solution. Okay, that is the best way to keep your hands clean. Okay, that is all about these two pages. First page is all about personal hygiene items, and the second page is a small dialogue between Shruti and her mother about hand washing. I hope you all are also washing your hands frequently whenever you go out and come, or whenever you touch something which comes from outside, or whenever you're going to have a meal or have a snack, please wash your hands with soap or hand wash or whatever you have at home for 20 seconds. To know the 20 seconds, there is a small trick, children. If you sing happy birthday to you, the same thing, if you repeat 3 times and you keep hand washing, it will become 20 seconds. You try 3 times when you say happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Again, one more time, happy birthday to you. Over. When you say 3 times and simultaneously hand wash, 20 seconds are over and your hands will be clean. You must hand wash all the nail, the ridges, the front, the back, everything. ஸோ புரிஞ்சுதா குழந்தைங்களே? இந்த கிளென்லினஸ்ங்கிற சாப்டரில் நான் தமிழ்லையும் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுறேன், ஸோ தட் உங்களுக்கு பெட்டர் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங்க்கு. மித்ரா டிவி பார்க்குறா, அப்போ அட்வர்டைஸ்மெண்ட்டில் டாய்லெட் டிவியில் இருக்காம், டாய்லெட்டில் ஜேர்ம்ஸ் இருக்க மாதிரி டிவியில் காட்டுறான். மித்ரா அப்பா கிட்ட கேட்குறா, என்னப்பா இதுன்னு. அப்பா ஜேர்ம்ஸ் பற்றி சொல்கிறார். ஜேர்ம்ஸ்னால் மைக்ரோ ஆர்கானிசம், அது நம்ம உடம்புக்குள்ளே போச்சுன்னா கெடுதல் பண்ணும், எல்லா இடத்துலையும் இருக்குது. அதனால தான் நம்ம அப்பப்போ ஹேண்ட் வாஷ் பண்ணலன்னா, வாய்க்குள்ளே போயிடுச்சுன்னா ஜேர்ம்ஸ் நம்மளை இன்ஃபெக்ஷன் ஆகி நிறைய நோய் வரும்னு சொல்கிறாரு. அதே மாதிரி ஸ்ருதி அண்ட் மதரோட கான்வர்சேஷன் போட்டிருக்காங்க. ஸ்ருதி வெளியில் போய் விளையாடிட்டு டர்ட்டி ஹேண்ட்ஸோட பசிக்குதுன்னு வரா. அம்மா கை அலம்பினாதான் சாப்பிடலான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ கையை அலம்பிட்டு சாப்பிட சொல்கிறாங்க. அவள் ஆர்கியூ பண்ணுறா, கை அலம்பணுமா என்னன்னு. கண்டிப்பாக அலம்பணும். கையில் நிறைய டர்ட் இருக்கும், அந்த டர்ட்டெல்லாம் வயிற்றுக்குள்ளே போனால் யூ வில் ஃபால் சிக், வயிறு வலிக்கும், பேதி ஆகலாம், வாந்தி வரலாம், ஜுரம் வரலாம். ஸோ யூ மஸ்ட் வாஷ் யுவர் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் தரோலி வித் த சோப் ஆர் ஹேண்ட் வாஷ்னு அம்மா இன்சிஸ்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. தட் இஸ் அபவுட் தீஸ் 2 pages, kids.